Hello, my name is Marta Carolina Santos Rivas. I am going to answer questionnaires. 1. Did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it fair amount? On my last trip, I didn't spend that much money. I actually planned everything before traveling south good over Spain. 2. What are the best things that had happened to you and the truth? Mention 2. Being able to identify terrain different between my cultures and culture of the countries at visiting. Enjoy the natural beauty, the gastronomic variety, and the world of the people of the countries and visited. 3. Had you ever worked on tourism? What was the experience like? So far, I have not had the opportunity to work on tourism. 4. What is the amount food you have tried and the truth? The most unknown food was pozole, a spicy tomato-based soup containing corn and chunks of meat. It is really spicy. 5. What places have you missed visiting on your trip? I was not able to visit the Frida Kahlo museums due to schedules and costs. This made me very sad.